Copy this text and then paste it in Google Translate right here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $30 every 10 minutes, and $30 every 10 minutes is $180 every hour. Just imagine the kind of money you will be making with this method. And that too, simply by using Google Translate. It's a completely free way to make money online. And the best part? This works in all countries. But before we start, welcome to Make Your Bucks, where we show you legit ways how to make money online. And that too, completely for free. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to become the first one to get notified of every new Make Money Online video, so that you make the most money before other people find out. On your browser, type in Google Translate. Click on this link right here, and it will take you to a page like so. This is where you will be able to do the translation for free. Now, if you've never used Google Translate before, don't worry. I will show you a small demo just so you know how to do it. In this box right here, you should type in your original text, i.e. the text that you wish to translate. Then right here, you will get the translated version of the text. If you click on this drop-down menu right here, there are so many languages here that you can translate your text to. As a quick demo, let's select Italian. Now let's type in something to translate to Italian. Say let's write "make money online." As you can see, the text has been translated to Italian. Now that you know how to use Google Translate, let's go to the website where you will be making money from. CPAgrip.com is the website that you'll be using to make money online. On this website, you'll be paid for promoting various offers using your affiliate links. When someone clicks on your affiliate link, you will then get paid. Now don't worry if you're thinking that you have no idea where to promote links, because I will be showing you a completely free website that will drive traffic to your affiliate link. Plus, CPA Grip pays out via PayPal, so make sure you have a PayPal account to receive your payments. The next thing to do is register on this site. To register, simply click on Register right here. Now all you need to do is fill in these details and a free account will be created for you. Right here, enter your first name and then your last name here. For company and website, you don't need to put in anything, just leave it blank. For this section right here, you need to input your address information, such as your street name, country, city, postal code, etc. Now type in your phone number here. And you also need to enter your Skype name here. It's the name which appears when you open the app. So make sure you create an account on Skype before doing the registration. For publisher type right here, just select this first option. This simply means what methods you will use to promote the offers. Then put in your email address here and type in a password here. Write the password again here, and you also need to choose a time zone. To do this, just click on the drop-down menu to select your time zone. For this part right here, just write in YouTube. And then check all these boxes to confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions and rules for using this website. And then finally, click on Register Now. This is what the dashboard of your CPA Grip account will look like. As you can see right here, this chat is showing how much people have earned using this website. Just take a look at the amount of money people have made using this website. Awesome, right? Now make sure to set up your payment method. You can do this by clicking on the Payment Center right here. And then on this page, where it says Payment Method, just select this drop-down menu and choose your payment method. Now let's find out how you will use this website to make money. On this corner right here, click on Offer Tools, then select My Offer. As you can see, there are so many offers for you to promote. Right here under Payout, you can see how much each of these offers will pay you per person you drive to the offer and they complete the offer. To make the most money on this site, you'll have to choose offers from countries which pay a lot per lead for their offers. You can click on Country right here, and then take a look at the offers of different countries and to know about the top paying offers. Let's select France for example, and take a look at the offers. Check out this offer right here. This is so much more money compared to the other offers here. Now all you need to do is click on the offer. This link right here is your unique affiliate link. Copy it and paste it in a note so you can use it later. This link though is very long, so go to this website called Short URL. Now paste in the link that you copied here and click on Shorten URL. Now copy this URL and save it in your notes again. This is the link that you will need to promote to make money. The big question now, how will you drive free traffic to your affiliate link? To get free traffic, simply go to trafficadbar.com. As you can see right here, you will get 1,022 visitors every 3 days. And that too, completely for free. Just imagine the kind of money you'll be making if only 100 or even 10 people complete the offer. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you found the video useful, so that you can continue to get valuable content for free and you never run out of ways to make free money. Now, if you scroll down right here, you'll need to sign up for a free account here to use this website. So go ahead and enter your first name and your email address and then click on Join. Now you will have to check your email to verify it, and once you do that, you'll be taken to a page like so. Here, complete these details and then click on Next. Again, fill in these details too and click on Next. Now you need to enter a username here and again, click on Next. Finally, click on Create Account here. And boom! There you have it. Here you will paste in your link that you copied from short URL. Now this is the part where the Google Translate will come in. Go back to your offer on cpagrip.com. As you can see, the ad title shown is in French. So copy it and go to Google Translate. Now paste the title in here. So this is what this offer is about. Now go back to Traffic Ad Bar and put in the French title here. Make sure the title's not too long. If it is too long, use Google Translate again to come up with a short version of the title. Now under Ad Line 1, you need to place the description of the ad. To do this, go to the offer again, and you need to select the text on the display ad and place it there. The ad display for this offer is in English, so use Google Translate to translate it to French, and then place it under the ad line display here, right here. What is the language of your ad and web page? Type in French. Now for this part, for countries, select France from the drop-down menu. Now just click on Save and boom! As you can see, it will post your ad and do the job of driving traffic to your ad. Now, every time someone fulfills the requirements of the offer, you get paid.